How to get rid of free shipping in your Shopify shop. So for example, here I'm already on my Shopify admin page and I want to get rid of free shipping on my store. So I'm going to go onto the online store and then under the themes tab, I'll press customize. And then if we go over to cart here and it says down here, free shipping, but actually we don't want free shipping. So how do we delete this so our customers aren't misdirected? So the way we change that, like if you try to press here, you see we can't really customize it here. So we're going to have to go into another settings, the default text. So make sure you copy and paste the text here. In my case, it's free shipping with an exclamation mark. I'll exit. And then once here, press these three dots and then press edit default theme content. Now there's a lot you can edit here if you want. If you want to come through it one by one, that's up to you. If you want to comb through it one by one, that's up to you. But there's a search bar up here that can let you easily filter through it just by typing it out. So for example, I'm going to paste in free shipping. And this will go into the free shipping text. I'll just delete that. Save. And let's go back to themes. Let's press customize. And let's check. Does it have free shipping on? The text is gone. So that's how you get rid of free shipping per se on your Shopify page. It's as easy as that.